Hey there, future entrepreneurs! Today, I'm diving into the nitty-gritty of Amazon FBA. Fulfillment by Amazon. Ever wondered how you could start your own online business and crush it? Well, stick around because I'm breaking down everything you need to know about Amazon FBA, from the basics to the secret sauce for success. First off, what exactly is Amazon FBA? Amazon FBA is a service where Amazon handles storage, packaging, and shipping for you. You send your products to Amazon's fulfillment centers, and they take care of the rest. This means you don't have to worry about logistics, giving you more time to focus on what really matters, growing your business. So, how do you get started? Step 1. Product research. You need to find a product that's in demand but not overly saturated. Tools like Jungle Scout or Helium 10 can help you identify winning products by analyzing trends and competition. A pro tip? Look for products with high demand but fewer reviews. This sweet spot can offer a competitive edge. Next, you need a supplier. Sites like Alibaba or Global Sources are great places to start. Always order samples before committing to a large order. This ensures you're getting quality products that won't disappoint your customers. Now comes product listing. Your Amazon product listing is your sales pitch. Make sure it's compelling. Use high-quality images, write detailed descriptions, and optimize with keywords. Keywords help your product show up in search results, bringing more traffic to your listing. Once your product is listed, it's time to ship to Amazon's fulfillment centers. Log into your Amazon Seller Central account, create a shipment plan, and send your products to Amazon. They'll handle the storage, packaging, and shipping from there. Marketing is crucial. Utilize Amazon PPC, pay-per-click ads to drive traffic to your listings. Social media can also be a powerful tool for promoting your products. Leverage platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or even TikTok to create buzz around your brand. Customer service is key. Even though Amazon takes care of the heavy lifting, you still need to manage customer inquiries and reviews. Responding promptly and professionally can turn a good customer experience into a great one. So why Amazon FBA? It's scalable. As your business grows, Amazon's infrastructure can handle the increased demand. It's also global. You can reach customers worldwide without the hassle of international shipping. To wrap it up, Amazon FBA can be a game changer for your entrepreneurial journey. With the right product, supplier, and marketing strategy, you can build a thriving business and achieve financial freedom. Ready to dive in? There's no better time than now to start your Amazon FBA adventure. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on crushing the e-commerce game. Catch you in the next video.